everyone and a happy Valentine's Day. आज का दिन यूजुअली होता है रोजेस का, चॉकलेट्स का, स्लो म्यूजिक का, बट एट डैम्स वी डू एवरीथिंग डिफरेंटली. तो वेलकम टू बैटल ऑफ द सेक्सेस वैलेंटाइंस डे स्पेशल presented by Dance. Here the sparks fly and egos collide. एंड बॉलीवुड ने हमें सिखाया है कि प्यार और दोस्ती दोनों अनएक्सपेक्टेड होते हैं, ड्रामेटिक होते हैं एंड कभी कभी कंफ्यूजिंग भी होते हैं. तो अपना नीट पीजी भी तो ऐसा ही होता है. वो भी कंफ्यूजिंग होता है, वो भी ड्रामेटिक होता है. तो ठीक है, लेट मी टेल यू कि आज का बैटल कैसे चलेगा. सो टुनाइट इट्स हिम वर्सेस हर. यू बोथ हैव योर स्टेज नेम्स. ठीक है, जैसे ही एक पेयर आएगा उनके स्टेज नेम्स के जो भी उनको प्रेफर्ड नाम है वो एक दूसरे को बताएंगे. जैसे डॉक्टर साहब, व्हाट नेम डू यू वांट टू बी कॉल्ड एज?
आयरा.
ओके, डॉक्टर आयरा. एंड डॉक्टर साहब आप?
Annie.
Okay, Dr. Annie. Okay, so we have Dr. Ira and Dr. Annie with us. So the rules are, first, Dr. Ira will choose any one of the 19 subjects and tell Dr. Annie कि हाँ जी मैंने ये choose किया है. उसके बाद आप उनसे 3 questions पूछेंगे and वो questions alternatively चलेंगे. जैसे एक question आपने पूछा, एक question उन्होंने पूछा. ऐसे ही आपसे भी एक subject पूछा जाएगा, आप बताएंगे and राइट आंसर होगा तो बोलेंगी हाँ जी राइट आंसर है, और अगर रॉन्ग आंसर होगा तो वो पक्का आपको आंसर बताएंगी कि राइट क्या है. आपको आंसर करने के लिए 30 सेकेंड्स दिए जाएंगे एंड बाय द एंड ऑफ द थर्ड क्वेश्चन कम्स आवर वाइल्ड कार्ड. तो यू विल बी आस्क्ड द मास्टर क्वेश्चन दैट डू यू वांट टू रिवील योर ओरिजिनल नेम्स एंड कंटिन्यू दिस फ्रेंडशिप. So if you both would agree, you guys will tell each other your original names and this friendship shall continue. Start करें?
Yes.
Okay, so let's ladies first. So Dr. Ira, what subject do you want to choose?
Dharma.
Okay, you want to choose Dharma. So Dr. Annie, what subject do you want to choose?
Ma'am, anatomy.
Okay, you want to choose anatomy. I want to give you two guys like more time with each other. तो मैं अपना अभी कैमरा ऑफ कर रही हूँ. ठीक है, you both continue, ask each other once you answer and then you go. And by जैसे आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन ओवर होगा, I will keep a score. I will keep a track of the score. And जैसे आपका थर्ड आंसर होगा, I'll come to ask you the master question. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Hello.
हाँ, मैं हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ ना?
हाँ हाँ.
ठीक है ठीक है. तो ठीक है, बस यही पूछना था कि मतलब लैंग्वेज बैरियर ना हो, बस ये था. तो मैं पहला क्वेश्चन पूछूं आपसे.
पूछो.
मोस्ट कॉमन साइट ऑफ सोरियासिस.
Extensus.
गुड.
So मैं पूछूं.
जी जी.
52-year-old man with ataxia telangiectasia. Which of the following is an excitatory cell lost in this? Options are Golgi cell, Purkinje cell, basket cell, or granule cell.
गोल्गी सेल होगा.
No, you are wrong. The answer is granule
अच्छा.
cell.
सॉरी गोल्गी ग्रेन्यूल. डबल जी, सॉरी. ठीक ठीक ठीक, सही. मोस्ट कॉमन साइट ऑफ बीसीसी, बेसल सेल कार्सिनोमा.
Basal cell carcinoma.
मोस्ट कॉमन साइट.
Face.
गुड. सन एक्सपोज्ड एरिया, सही है.
Which ligament connects medial cuneiform to base of second metatarsal? Your options are Chopart ligament, spring ligament, Lisfranc, or deltoid.
स्प्रिंग.
Yeah, you are right.
ऑस्पिड साइन is found in posterior.
Psoriasis.
जी,
Psoriasis.
सही है, आपके तीनों सही है.
They were very easy. So may I ask the
हाँ
first
हाँ.
question?
जी जी, पूछिए.
In the costal groove of which of the following ribs is the classic arrangement of vein, artery, nerve is not seen?
हम्म,
Your options are Rib 1, Rib 2, Rib 11, or Rib 12?
Rib 12.
No, it's
अच्छा,
Rib
1
1.
वाला ना?
Yeah, not
ठीक है,
3.
ठीक है.
कोई बात नहीं गाइस, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, अभी अपना मास्टर क्वेश्चन
मैम,
रहता है. तो किसी ने किसी को फेवर तो नहीं किया, ऐसे तो नहीं कि आपने जानबूझ के
वो मैं
इजी क्वेश्चंस पूछे है डॉक्टर
नहीं,
एनी?
मैं
चलो ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. सो द
ये
मास्टर
जीत गई
क्वेश्चन,
मैम.
would
ठीक
you
है.
like to reveal your original names?
Yes, मैम.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Dr. Ira, let's start with you.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Lakshita.
Okay. And Dr. Annie?
डॉक्टर अंगद.
Oh, nice. And would you like to tell each other your colleges as well?
Yeah, I did my UG from DY Patil, Pune.
जी मैम.
DY Patil, Pune.
अच्छा,
Or Dr.
And
अच्छा.
you?
मैम, मेरा केजीएम से
Sorry?
मैम, केजीएम में एफिलिएटेड जीएम से बांधा है मेरा.
Okay, nice. So guys,
जी.
it was lovely having you here. Thank you so much. And Dr. Ira, you are our winner with all the 3 answers correct. It was lovely having
Yes,
you both here. Wish you all the best for your future ventures, and bye bye. Our team will
Bye.
contact shortly, Dr. Ira.
Okay, thank you.
So guys, we have the next team with us. So doctors, what names would you like to choose?
I like to choose Shruti.
Okay, Dr. Shruti and Dr. Sabha.
एंड वो एक ही मतलब ओरिजिनल नाम नहीं बताना ना.
नहीं, ओरिजिनल नाम नहीं बताना.
पायरुवेट रख लिया हमने.
Okay, so Shruti and Dr. Pyrovate. So
Okay.
Dr. Pyrovate, what subject do you want to choose?
I'll choose biochemistry first.
Okay, and Dr. Shruti, आप?
Obs Gynae.
Obs Gynae. तो guys, I will.
Okay.
ठीक है, अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. अब आप एक दूसरे से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, क्वेश्चन आप पूछेंगे, वो पूछेंगी, and the game will continue. By the end of the third question, I will appear again and ask you the final question. Okay?
Okay, fine. Hi Shriti, you can start
Hi.
first.
Okay. Glycogen phosphorylase require which cofactor for its activity?
Which cofactor?
Biotin, thiamine pyrophosphate, pyridoxal phosphate, or riboflavin?
This is a carbohydrate वाले में we'll choose for B1, that is thiamine.
It's pyridoxal phosphate.
Pyridoxal phosphate, are you sure? I think pyridoxal phosphate is for not for protein, this thing, or PLP is okay. I
Glycogen
might be.
phosphorylase.
अच्छा ठीक है यार, ये तो अभी पढ़ा था, गलत हो गया. ठीक है.
Your turn.
अभी तो मुझे ऑब्स गाइनी से पूछना है.
हाँ.
ओके, सो ऑब्स गाइनी क्वेश्चन. ऑब्स गाइनी, अच्छा. This Bursch-Kolpo suspension is for the treatment of what? And what kind of surgery is this?
Pelvic organ prolapse. Bursch-Kolpo suspension is done for.
I think it is done
Stress
for
urinary continence के लिए करते हैं.
yeah. Yes.
हाँ, स्ट्रेस यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस के लिए. बहुत टाइम हो गया मुझे गए नहीं पड़े हुए. स्ट्रेस यूरिनरी इनकॉन्टिनेंस के लिए करते हैं बर्श-कोल्पो सस्पेंशन. और व्हाट टाइप ऑफ सर्जरी इट इज?
या एक्चुअली मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था, बट वो उसी में है तो इसीलिए पूछ लिया.
ये तो इम्पोर्टेंट भी नहीं है इतना तो कि कौन सी टाइप की सर्जरी है ये. लाइक स्लिंग सर्जरी मतलब
आंसर कर दिया है तो इट्स योर चॉइस इफ यू वांट टू आंसर द ऐड ऑन क्वेश्चन.
ओके, सो इट इज एब्डोमिनल सर्जरी. आपका टीवीटी और टीओटी, ट्रांसवेजाइनल टेप एंड ट्रांसऑब्चुरेटर टेप, ये वेजाइनल सर्जरीज है. दिस is abdominal surgery. Bursch-Kolpo suspension, it is actually gold standard, but mostly we'll do TVT and TOT.
Okay, I have this very good question. Wait a minute.
बायोकेमिस्ट्री से ही है क्या?
हाँ हाँ, you chose biochemistry yourself.
ठीक है.
So there is this disease Wernicke encephalopathy.
Yes.
हाँ. So it is because of which factor deficiency? And what
वो
are the
सारे
causes?
फैक्टर पूछ लो.
No, Wernicke is something very important.
It's very important, but cofactor, I guess, is little
Like which
tricky.
vitamin deficiency?
Vitamin is B1 only, thiamine.
And vitamin B1 is cofactor for which enzymes? This was my prime question. कि vitamin
हाँ जी,
B1 किन enzymes के लिए cofactor है?
B1 is for all the, like most of the, like pyruvate dehydrogenase, most of the enzymes involved in carbohydrate metabolism. Ab exact enzyme I can't tell. I don't remember much.
So there are three enzymes: pyruvate dehydrogenase, alpha transketolase, and alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. मैंने पिछले वाला जो क्वेश्चन पूछा था उसका आंसर पैराडॉक्सल ही है. ग्लाइकोजन फॉस्फोराइलेज पैराडॉक्सल से ही होता है.
ओके, B6 से. ओके, ठीक है. अभी मेरी बारी ऑब्स गाइनी से फिर से. अकॉर्डिंग टू WHO, how many centimeter dilation will consider, like, is that, मतलब ask in Hindi. So कितना सेंटीमीटर से हम स्टार्ट करेंगे पार्टोग्राम प्लॉट करना?
अगर आप पार्टोग्राम
According
प्लॉट
to-
कर रहे हो, एक सेकेंड, अगर आप पार्टोग्राम प्लॉट कर रहे हो दैट विल बी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 4 सेंटीमीटर, बट इफ इट इज WHO लेबर गाइड तो 5 सेंटीमीटर से.
गुड गुड, दैट्स करेक्ट.
So
बायोकेमिस्ट्री.
I'll ask easy question.
ओके.
I'll ask easy question. फास्टिंग स्टेट में, मतलब जब स्टारवेशन की स्टेट होती है, तो ब्रेन यूटिलाइज विच सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी? कार्बोहाइड्रेट,
ग्लूकोज ओनली.
ग्लूकोज. बट
कार्बोहाइड्रेट.
इट इज स्टारवेशन, ग्लूकोज इज नॉट अवेलेबल.
ओके ओके, ऑप्शन दे दो अब.
प्रोटीन, फैटी एसिड्स, कीटोन बॉडीज.
Amino acid.
It is last year PYQ question. I gave my PG. This was a question.
Okay. So answer
This
is
were
amino
PG
acids.
question. No, ketone bodies.
Ketone bodies it will utilize.
हाँ,
Okay.
प्राइमरी एनर्जी सोर्स ब्रेन, कीटोन बॉडीज.
Okay. Bad knowledge. Okay. अच्छा, एक ओब्स का क्वेश्चन मेरा बचा है.
हाँ,
बस एक ओबी का हो गया, एक गायनी का हो गया, एक कैंसर से पूछ लेते हैं. सो हाइड्रोनेफ्रोसिस will be in which stage of cervical cancer? Hydronephrosis.
I am too bad at cancers.
सर्वाइकल तो यार मतलब बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, और हाइड्रोनेफ्रोसिस
हाँ,
पूछा है मैंने.
बट कैंसर ऐसा है कि जो पेपर से पहले पढ़ना चाहिए बस.
और इसमें मैं ऑप्शन भी दूंगा तो आई डोंट थिंक इट विल हेल्प यू, बट आई विल गिव 2B 3A 3B 3C.
हाइड्रोनेफ्रोसिस 3B.
करेक्ट.
इट्स PYQ, तो एकदम वो था.
अच्छा, तब तो सही है. गुड.
So guys, now it's the time for the wild card question. Would you guys like to reveal your original identities?
Okay, I don't have any problem with that.
Even I don't have problem with that.
So myself Paras Bansal, and I am from Haryana, and I graduated from St. John's Medical College, Bangalore.
Myself Sakshi Kaushik, and I recently graduated 19 batch from GMC Vidayu, UP, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay. Nice. Actually, I'm serving my rural bond in UP only in Meerut as of now. I am also 19 batch.
So I am serving bond also though.
कहाँ पे?
But not in Meerut, पीलीभीत में.
Oh, nice.
So guys, was it fun talking to each other? This quiz?
हाँ,
मेरा तो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया. मेरा तो कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ गया.
और बायोकेमिस्ट्री फिर से पढ़नी पड़ेगी अभी. ठीक है.
पता चल गया
मैंने और गाइड बहुत पहले पढ़ी थी. दीप्ति मैम इज अ जेम.
हमने भी
दीप्ति मैम इज अ जेम.
ये तो है.
तो गाइस
अब पूछे.
नहीं, अब बाय बाय है. ठीक है.
अच्छा, वो
मैम
बोनस
क्या
क्या
बोनस
बोनस हो
क्वेश्चन
गया?
कह रहे थे
मैंने
आप.
अच्छा सर, बोनस क्वेश्चन. हाँ, बोनस क्वेश्चन पूछ
हाँ.
सकते हैं देखो.
टाल रहे हो. अच्छा, हमें ही पूछना है क्या आपस में बोनस क्वेश्चन भी?
हाँ, कुछ भी नॉन एकेडमिक.
अच्छा, नॉन एकेडमिक.
हाँ,
तो
कुछ
नॉन
भी.
एकेडमिक में
अच्छा.
तो हाँ, वो भी कहेंगे कि सारा पढ़ाई का ही पूछोगे क्या, तो थोड़ा इधर उधर का भी पूछ लेते हैं. ठीक
वैलेंटाइन
है.
डे है, थोड़ा अनप्रेडिक्टेबल भी
हाँ.
चल रहा है, तो ड्रामा तो बनता है ना.
मैम आई एम नॉट अ
ड्रामा.
वैलेंटाइन टाइप गर्ल. दो अगर वैलेंटाइन डे मना रहे हो तो यहाँ भी क्विज नहीं दे रहे हो.
नहीं,
अब यहाँ पे टेस्ट
नो,
करना है मतलब.
रोज का वैलेंटाइंस डे और तरीके का है, दुनिया का और मेरे का और.
मैम मेडिकल सबसे अच्छा मनाते हैं.
अच्छा, ठीक है मैम. वैसे आपको भी वैलेंटाइन डे मनाना चाहिए. आप यहाँ सबकी क्विज करा रहे हो.
आई आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन कि आपका एक्स्ट्रा वर्क है ये.
हाँ.
चलो, अभी बाकी
चलो.
12 टीम्स अभी वेट कर रही हैं. ठीक है.
ओके
तो if you don't want to ask that question, let it be. Dr. Sakshi, our team will contact you shortly, and it was wonderful to have you both here. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू मैम.
Okay.
वी हैव फन.
थैंक यू. थैंक यू साक्षी. बाय.
थैंक यू पारस. थैंक यू.
बाय.
बाय.
Good evening, everyone, and a very happy Valentine's Day. आज का दिन यूजुअली होता है रोजेस का, चॉकलेट्स का, स्लो म्यूजिक का. लेकिन यहाँ पे at DAMS we do things differently. So welcome to the Battle of the Sexes, Valentine's Day special quiz presented by DAMS. Here the sparks fly and egos collide. And Bollywood ने हमें सिखाया ही है कि दोस्ती प्यार थोड़ा अनएक्सपेक्टेड होता है, ड्रामेटिक होता है, एंड कभी कभी कंफ्यूजिंग भी होता है. एंड अपना नीट पीजी आईएनएस सेट वो भी तो ऐसे ही होता है, कंफ्यूजिंग, ड्रामेटिक, एंड कभी कभी एकदम अनप्रेडिक्टेबल सा. So let me tell you how this battle would work. So tonight it's him versus her, logic versus instinct, and confidence versus composure. And सबसे interesting part, the mystery. Each pair would join with the stage names as told. The real identity is completely hidden, so it's a mystery. First, the girl would choose a subject out of the 19 subjects, and from that subject, the guy would ask her a question. She answers, he judges, and अगर कुछ गलत है तो करेक्ट कर दो, है ना. And उसके बाद the roles would reverse, and you guys would continue with the 3 academic questions, and then I would appear again, but with a wild card question. And let's keep that a mystery as well. तो start करें.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, now I will go and I will leave you two to talk. So, what would be the stage names that you want to use?
PP Joshi.
Okay, may I ask the inspiration behind it?
He's my medicine HOD.
Very good. And Doctor, what about you?
I'm Sophia.
Okay, you're
I like the
Sophia.
character from Disney, so I like Sophia.
Okay, so we have Dr. PP Joshi and Dr. Sophia. So I will go and I will leave you guys to talk, and you guys can each ask the questions as told, and by the end of third question I will appear again. Okay, all the best.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Hi, Sophia.
Hi. Hi.
तो कौन सा सब्जेक्ट
Okay.
से क्वेश्चन पूछना है?
Can you speak in English, please?
हाँ, so which subject
I'm
you
a bit
want?
lagging in English. Okay, let's start with radiology.
रेडियो. रेडियो तो
Simple.
ओके.
I think I just
रेडियो.
prepared everything like one-liners like that. Hmm.
So like radio to in radio actually the thing is all picture presentation, right? Like I have to show you the
Yeah.
diagrams, but here I can't do that, right? I can't share my screen and everything. So if possible, can you select other thing? Like
Okay.
maybe the question, I also didn't prepare anything. I will ask random, like
I just
I don't
randomly
know.
I prepared everything. What I'm just reading today, I just selected from those
Okay,
questions. Hmm. What about pathology?
sure. Pathology. Okay,
Okay.
done. Any tumor markers or okay.
Just simple, very basic question I prepared. Um,
Okay. NMEC is a marker of.
and
Like,
make
should I give the options?
neuroblastoma.
Yeah, sure.
Neuroblastoma. Okay, my question is a 22-year female presents with a raised irregular scar over
Hmm.
the right earlobe
Okay.
following a ear piercing.
Okay.
Most probably it's
Uh, Hypertrophic scar or
uh,
keloid. Like
like it's irregular and right earlobe.
yellow.
The
Maybe the
other one,
options like keloid.
keloid hyper. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Nice.
irregular margins, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Mm,
And from my side is
okay.
like same question, like a 4-year-old, a 14-year-old girl with clearly rolled margins of ulcer near the nose,
Okay.
which is irregular in shape and around 4 centimeters, and it is
Uh,
painless. Should I give the options?
yes, please.
First one is squamous cell carcinoma, basal cell carcinoma, malignant melanoma, and fourth one is none of this.
Basal cell carcinoma.
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. Okay, from the same topic, I'll go. Stain for collagen.
Mesenteric.
Yes.
Okay. Next, do you want to ask from the same?
Oh, yeah, which
Okay, the
name
other,
is fine.
like, okay, like from patho, or should I ask from other subjects? Like, is it okay if I ask from other
No,
subjects?
doctor, you need to keep the subject to be pathology only.
From pathology only. Okay,
Okay.
then,
Okay.
like mutation results in Philadelphia chromosome. Uh,
Translocation 922.
yes, that's only.
Okay. Okay. Next, my question. Inheritance patterns of achondroplasia.
Autosomal dominant.
Yes, fine.
Okay, 3 questions are done. And now
Okay,
man's
guys,
turn.
Mm,
so who's the winner?
Um,
okay.
You both answered correctly, right?
Yes.
So let's keep one more question that you can increase the difficulty level and you can change the subject.
Okay,
uh,
fine.
okay,
Which subject you
so
want to
it's
go with?
patho.
Changing the subject. Yes, I'm told to change the subject.
Ops. Okay, option gani.
Okay,
Or
fine.
like, okay, done.
You go first.
Myself like in now. Like from the option gani only. Should I change the subject?
Option N, I'm fine with it.
Option gani. Okay, done. A lady with ventricular septal defect becomes pregnant. Which of the following is not a common complication that is expected to occur in this patient? Okay.
Okay.
Should I repeat
Mm.
the question?
Question is fine. Not a
Okay.
complication.
Huh. Option is CHF, congestive heart failure. Next one is arrhythmia. Third one is hypertension. Fourth one is left ventricular dysfunction.
Maybe LVD.
Uh,
Mm.
Actually, hypertension.
I don't know. Okay. Why?
Okay.
I'm not done with this topic. I don't know.
Okay, so our clear winner
Because
is
like,
Dr.
huh,
You kept the name of your
normally
enemy,
the
so
thing is
that's
hyper.
why.
Yes.
So should I tell my name?
Wait,
Okay,
wait,
this
wait,
is
Yes.
Naveen.
wait, wait.
Uh,
Okay, so any guesses what his name would be? Just a random guess.
No.
Okay. Any guesses where would he be from?
Or maybe Maharashtra.
Okay. Dr. PP Joshi, what do you think? What would be her?
Ma'am, I think she is from South India.
Of course.
Hopefully,
because
she is from South India.
Yeah, because she said I don't understand Hindi.
And I think maybe she is from Tamil Nadu.
Okay. And what about the name? Any guesses?
Name, South Indian name, any Meenakshi? Like, most common name.
Okay. So, doctors, would you like to reveal your original names?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
I want to.
Okay, then go on.
Okay, this PP Joshi alias this is Navin from AIMS Nagpur, 2019 batch.
Okay. Hi, Naveen.
Okay, what? Hi, your name?
I'm Deshma from
Okay.
Andhra Pradesh.
Okay.
Arey. Actually, I'm from Hyderabad.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Currently, I'm in. Ma'am, there is a place called Padmarao Nagar in Hyderabad, like where medical
Yeah, I know that.
several medical students come here to take
People
coaching.
they gather there and study.
And unfortunately, I am here preparing for this INA and NET.
That's
Okay.
great. Great. Would you guys
I'm
like to tell each
currently
other?
staying in my home.
From like
Would you
Andhra
guys like
Pradesh? From
to tell each other the colleges?
yes, ma'am. I am from AIMS Nagpur,
Yes.
Okay.
19
I'm
batch.
from Guntur Medical College, 19 batch.
Oh, okay, nice.
So, guys, did you enjoy the conversation?
Yeah, ma'am. I
Yeah,
did.
it was good, ma'am.
Okay, so Dr. Naveen, our team will contact you shortly for your prize.
Okay.
And it was
Okay.
lovely having you both here.
Me too, ma'am.
Okay.
Have a
Hopefully,
very
me too.
Ma'am.
all the best for your future ventures. And so, guys, welcome to the Battle of the Sexes, a Valentine's quiz by Dams. Here the sparks fly and egos collide. So, guys, what names would you like to choose?
Daisy.
Okay, what to choose?
Iron Man.
Daisy. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, now guys, I will go and you guys, as we've discussed.
Ops guy.
Yeah. Okay. So basically, I have to ask 3 questions from Osgani, na?
Yes.
It's
Okay.
alternatively. Matlab one question you and then her.
Okay. Okay. Which subject?
Mainly one-liners.
Okay. Which subject?
Ma'am, I would like to choose anatomy.
Okay.
Matlab,
You can go first.
you can. I am ready for the question.
Okay. Which cranial nerve is responsible for light reflex?
For light reflex, afferent is 5th cranial nerve.
Okay.
And sorry. I think for afferent, it's 3rd cranial nerve, and efferent is also 3rd cranial nerve.
Actually, afferent is second cranial nerve and efferent is third cranial nerve.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I would ask one question from Ops Kahini now. What is the name of the gene that is responsible for the differentiation of undifferentiated gonad into testis?
SRY gene.
No, I am asking of the gene. SRY is the region.
On the
On the SRY
gene. Gene. Y chromosome SRY gene.
SRY is the region. The gene is
Okay.
name is different.
Okay. No idea.
The gene name is SOX9. SOX9.
Okay. Got it. Okay, next question. 3 parts of The central nervous system.
3 parts.
Old names. The anatomy, the embryology of the central nervous system.
Acha. Old names were one is prosencephalon, second is mesencephalon,
Hmm.
and third is rhombencephalon.
Kind of. In 2 parts, metan and myelencephalon. Okay.
Then
Correct.
further division are there.
Okay. Your question.
Okay, then next question. Like obs-gyne is a very vast subject, na? So, can you tell me the name of the syndrome that is also called as pure gonadal dysgenesis? There is a name of the syndrome that is called as pure gonadal dysgenesis.
Is it Swyer syndrome?
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay.
Correct.
And the last question from Annette.
थोड़ा difficult भी पूछ सकते
Actually, मुझे कुछ याद नहीं आ रहा. Problem is that it's such a vast. Ending of the spinal cord level in children and adults.
Children and adults, okay. In adults, I am sure that it's the lower border of L1 vertebra in adults.
And in children?
In children, I think it's the L3 vertebra.
Right.
L3 vertebra. Okay. Then, like I am shuffling between many questions. I have like in mind there are many questions coming, but like I am shuffling between.
Select the most difficult one or the most easiest one. Absolutely your choice.
I am just like trying to get the most difficult one that I can think right now. Let me ask one easy one only. Like, what is the drug of choice for hyperthyroidism in the first trimester of pregnancy?
Hypothyroidism.
Yeah, it's correct.
Okay, so guys, since you both have the same score, so there will be one score breaker question. You can change the subject.
Okay.
Just one question, okay?
Continue the same subject.
I would also like to continue the same subject.
Okay.
Like you can ask.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Dr. Saab, you also think of the question.
Yes, ma'am.
The nerves, the blood supply to the parathyroid glands.
Blood supply to the parathyroid gland. I have to name all the arteries. Or
It's only one artery.
It's only one artery, na? So,
arterial supply of parathyroid.
Arterial supply. So, I think for thyroid gland, there are 3 arteries, as I know, superior, middle, and inferior. Out of the 3 arteries of thyroid gland, I think inferior thyroid artery gives the supply to parathyroid.
Correct.
Inferior thyroid. Correct? Okay. Then it's a little bit of difficult question, but it's a factual question actually, man. So the MIS is secreted by the Sertoli cells. So MIS that is secreted, is it responsible for the disappearance of the same side of mesonephric duct or the bilateral side? Like MIS, the MIS that is secreted from the ipsilateral side of testis is responsible for both the sides of disappearance of Mullerian or only the same side? That's the only question.
Most probably bilateral side.
It's wrong. It's the same side of the
Okay.
Mullerian duct.
Okay.
तो ओके गाइस, अपने टोनी स्टार्क आई मीन आयरन मैन जीत गए, ठीक है. एंड सो द मास्टर क्वेश्चन इज, वुड यू गाइस लाइक योर आइडेंटिटीज?
Oh, sure.
I'm sure.
So Iron Man.
My name is Ujjwal Sharma and I am from AIIMS Raipur.
My name is Deepika Agarwal and I am from College of Medicine and GNM Hospital in West Bengal.
Okay. And did you guys like this?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
It was a fun experience.
Okay, so
Yes,
Iron
ma'am.
Man, Dr. Ujjwal, our team will contact you shortly for your prize. Lovely having you both here.
Yes.
All the best for the event.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank
It was
you.
very.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Guys, welcome to
Okay.
the battle of the sexes, a Valentine's Day quiz by Dance. So guys, you can choose your stage names and then we'll proceed with the quiz.
I am Siddhant.
Okay, your name, stage name is Siddhant, and Dr. Saab, आपका?
I am Geet.
गीत. जब भी मैं types. Okay.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Select your subjects and then ask each other question. I will appear again after the third question. Okay?
So Geet,
So,
what's your subject?
I will choose microbiology.
Okay. Nice.
And
I will
what's
choose
your-
I'll choose radiology. Radio will be my subject.
Your subject means I will ask
You
you
will.
about your subject or my subject.
Yeah, ତମକୁ ମତେ question ପଚାରିବାର ଅଛି radiology ରୁ.
Radiology. Okay.
ହଁ.
Guys, let's keep the mode of communication to be Hindi or English.
Okay. You will have to ask me questions on radiology. My first question on microbiology. Which organism causes gas gangrene?
Any option?
Yeah.
Gas.
I would like to give you maybe two options. First, Staphylococcus aureus, then three options: Streptococcus pyogenes, या फिर Clostridium perfringens.
Staphylococcus aureus.
Okay,
Wrong
it's a wrong answer. Yeah. Okay,
Clostridium.
fine. Yes, it's Clostridium perfringens. Remember, perfringens. It has G, so it will cause G, gas gangrene.
Gas gangrene.
Perfringe, gas gangrene. Yeah, you'll have to ask me question on radiology.
Sign of pneumothorax. Imaging sign. Wo.
Yeah, what is the question?
What are the radiological signs visible in pneumothorax?
What are the radiological signs visible in pneumothorax?
Yes.
It can be what is the visible radiological sign in pneumothorax? Yeah. When any person has pneumothorax, first of all, as the pneumothorax is the collection of air in the pleural space, it will push the trachea towards the opposite side. So you can see the shifting of trachea. Okay, to the opposite side of the lung, which has pneumothorax. I would like to see this as the first thing to guess if it is pneumothorax. Then I would like to see how black is that X-ray film on the side of which he is having pneumothorax. It will be more black. It will be more darker because air has a low. I don't remember the name, but air appears more blackish on the X-ray film.
Okay, doctor, what do you think is? Do you want to add anything to your answer?
I think I have said enough as much I know. Okay.
So Dr. Geet, is he correct?
Yes, yes, he is correct.
Okay. So Dr.
Clinically, he's
Siddharth,
explained the answer.
yeah, he is correct. He is correct. And so Dr. Siddharth gets a point. Next question, please.
Okay, I would like to ask you another micro question on microbiology. Which organisms other than Streptococcus pneumoniae can cause pneumonia? You can tell it. You can
Pneumococcus,
tell it.
pneumococcus
Yeah,
is the
yeah,
same.
yeah.
It's the same, no?
Same.
Streptococcus
Huh.
pneumoniae is also called pneumococcus.
Pneumococcus.
Or Haemophilus influenza.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Yeah. Uh,
ठीक है क्या आंसर?
the answer is correct. The answer is correct, but I would like to tell you some more answers of it. Pneumonia is caused mostly by Streptococcus pneumoniae in adults, but there are some other organisms also, other than Streptococcus pneumoniae and Haemophilus influenza, who can cause pneumonia, such as Klebsiella pneumoniae, Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Some viruses can also cause pneumonia. Pneumonia. I don't remember the names, but these are also some other names. But you said you are correct. You are correct. Now you would have to
Can
ask
you
me another
repeat?
question on
Can you repeat the examples again?
um, Klebsiella pneumoniae, Mycoplasma, and some virus. I don't remember the name. Hmm, I would have to look. I'm just getting these two names.
What is the sign of
Okay.
chest X-ray in COPD?
Acha. Okay. You want to know what are the signs we get on a chest X-ray if someone has COPD? Is that the question?
Yes,
मैंने
yes, yes.
क्या
That
ये
is
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, as we know, COPD is a chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder. So, as much I remember, first of all, the heart will appear as a tube. I mean, the heart will not remember as it is expected to be, like a box. It will slightly turn sideways, and it will appear as if it's a tube on the chest X-ray, and uh, you can see some. As much I
Dr.
remember, you can
We need to go a
see
little
some.
fast because the other team is also
Oh,
waiting.
okay, 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 okay. Okay, I'll just say tubular heart sign. That is what I remember. It's tubular heart sound. It's tubular heart sign. My answer is tubular heart sign.
Tubular heart sign. So, yes,
Yeah.
correct, correct.
Now my next question will be, what type of hypersensitivity is asthma?
Type 1.
Yeah, what type
Type
of
1.
hypersensitivity is asthma? Yeah, you are correct.
Type
Yeah, you are
1.
correct. It's type 1 hypersensitivity, Jackson. Yeah, you are correct. It's type 1 hypersensitivity.
Thank
Your
you.
last question to me on radiology.
What is the left Chizal sign?
अच्छा ये लूप chisel अच्छा loop chisel sign loop chisel sign occurs on a chest X-ray when the upper lobe of the chest gets collapsed due to some reason, and the lower lobe of the what we say the lungs just moves forward and gets itself attached to the aortic border. So it looks like a chisel, and Luft means air in German, so it's Luft chisel sign. Is it correct?
Yes, correct, correct.
Okay. Thank you.
So, guys, we are done with the 3 questions, and Dr. Siddhant is a clear winner. So, the master question comes. Would you guys like to reveal your identities?
Yes. I'm Geeti
Yes,
Krishnan.
yes. I am Avinas.
Okay, Dr. Avinas, our team will contact you shortly, and congratulations on your win.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was lovely having you here,
Thank
and all
you.
the best for your future ventures. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the Battle of the Sexes, presented by DAMS, a Valentine's quiz. And you guys can select your stage names. So, Doctor, what would you like to be called?
मैम समथिंग रैंडम इट वुड बी आपने आइडिया दिया था डेजी
Okay, Daisy. And डॉक्टर आप क्या नाम यूज करना चाहेंगे?
डॉक्टर राज।
हाय व्हिच सब्जेक्ट वुड यू लाइक टू चूज एक्चुअली एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कौन से ईयर में हो आप मतलब?
मैं थर्ड ईयर में हूँ।
ओके थर्ड ईयर स्टार्ट हुआ है
ना थर्ड ईयर एंडिंग में है मेरा।
ओके आई एम अ फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्स है मेरे नेक्स्ट ईयर फाइनल ईयर तो सब्जेक्ट
Okay,
बता
okay.
दीजिए अपना
मेरा फेवरेट है ईएनटी।
ईएनटी ओके माइन वुड बी ऑब्जन गाइनी सॉरी you can pharma because you are in third year
फार्मा। Okay.
so yeah you can ask pharma questions.
First question from pharma. Carbimazole is started from which trimester of pregnancy?
फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में तो शायद वो था सेकंड एंड थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में
Yeah.
it is being recorded.
The first trimester was propyl thiouracil
अब PTU propyl thiouracil it's second and
PTU
third
से हम
trimester yeah.
कार्बिमazole में शिफ्ट होते हैं क्योंकि फर्स्ट
Yeah.
ट्राइमेस्टर में क्या न्यूरल ट्यूब डिफेक्ट या स्कल डिफेक्ट
क्योंकि ऑर्गन फॉर्मेशन हो रहा होता है फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में
या
so that's
क्यूटिस
why
एप्लेसिया सो दैट लाइक स्कैल्प का स्किन नेक्रोज
yeah
कर देता है बच्चे में।
yeah
यू कैन आस्क ईएनटी।
most common site of CA larynx carcinoma larynx
CA larynx
yeah
glottic region
yeah that's right
right। Oh, I just did a smart guess। Okay, okay.
that was a smart guess and your turn.
What's your favorite topic among pharma, like
In general
AMS
pharma
series?
I like
General
pharma
pharma ना? Okay,
नहीं generalized overall pharma I like
overall pharma। अच्छा।
because final year subjects I just can't say because
Okay, then answer this thing only. Like ligno ADR is contraindicated in which parts of the body?
lignoadrenaline peripheral उसमें digits and everything because they have the end supply so there would be
Like
ischemia chances would be more.
Examples could you?
Digits, peripheral digits.
Tip of the nose.
Digits, peripheral, tip of fingers
Yeah.
and tip of...
Pinna. Yeah.
Yeah,
You can ask.
areas prone to blood supply. Less blood supply.
With no with no anastomosis, only end arteries, no?
And arterial supply.
Yeah, you can ask it.
Okay, my question would be okay. Triad of allergic rhinitis.
Triad, allergic rhinitis.
Triad of allergic rhinitis.
Type 1 hypersensitivity manifestations, inferior turbinate, swelling. I don't know.
Okay, you were getting there. The answer would be sneezing, rhinorrhea, and nasal itching.
Oh.
Nasal discharge, sneezing, and itching.
Yeah. Those are. Yeah.
Okay. I guess it's your turn.
What is the drug of choice for gram-negative infections? Any kind of infection?
Any kind of infection or gram-negative?
gram-negative मान लीजिए कहीं पे एक सेप्टिक फोकाई है, not septic foci, any infection है, gram-negative organisms ने किया है, तो what is the drug of choice?
Drug of choice for मतलब बहुत ही वो है ये in general so I think piperacillin.
Piptaz के पहले हम gentamicin देते थे ना?
And that was बहुत vague question है क्योंकि ना इसका आंसर definitive आंसर बताना बहुत ही मुश्किल था शायद. I think it's done.
Yeah, you can ask the third question.
Okay. Last question. So it's an easy one. Most common cause of stridor in children. Stridor, laryngotracheobronchitis.
Laryngotracheal bronchitis. Most common cause.
Yeah,
ये
yeah.
कैसा हो गया question? Most common like organism.
Organism.
Arbovirus. I guess.
Are you sure?
Rhino नाक का arbo ये laryngotracheal bronchitis. Croup के लिए शायद arbo था. Is it?
I don't think कि
Virus
Arbo तो
bacteria then वो था ना सर ने पढ़ाया था दीपक सर ने virus bacteria then viral causes are the most.
Para-influenza. I think you are right.
Influenza.
मतलब I may seem मेरे को शायद कम याद आ रहा हो.
Well, then I have to see that part. Group का part.
Okay guys, I guess it is है ना? Third question के लिए आप दोनों नहीं थे. तो your score is 1, her is 2. तो she is a clear winner. ठीक है? And so doctors, the final question is, would you like to reveal your identities?
I don't know.
अपना नाम बताइए आप.
My name is Sanjana.
Okay,
My
your
name is Dhruv Jyoti.
Okay, your name is Dhruv. And what about the colleges?
What about your college? You first.
I'm from AIMS BBSR.
AIMS?
Okay.
BBSR, Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar. Okay. Far away. Haryana, it's PGIMS Rohtak.
Okay, great. So did you guys have fun in this quiz?
Yes, ma'am. It was good.
Okay,
Try something.
Okay guys, so it was lovely having you here and thank you so much for being here with us. So Dr. Sanjana, our team will contact you shortly and thank you so much for being here and thank you doctor to be with us, to both of you, and have a lovely day. Happy Valentine's Day. Good night and thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye. Happy learning.